Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is not our usual content. Today we're trying a second attempt at vlogging. I decided to go ahead and vlog the floor change of the house because the kids have destroyed the carpet in the living room, and then whenever we bought the house, the carpets were like folded and all of that, so we needed to change it. We were in the process of moving, but then we decided not to, so we decided to go ahead and change up the house and hopefully get it together because, we do have 3 children, toddler age, and, they tend to destroy a lot of things. Okay. So there's like, so the carpets have been stained, especially in the living room. And, we decided to just go ahead and do the whole house instead, because why just do one place and leave the others? So this is going to be the first day of the floor change. We decided to change to laminate, and the laminate that we're using already comes padded, and it's like really, really super duper duper thick. Now, whenever we talked to the contractor, he said that he was going to start with the first floor first. The first floor first, and then he was going to move on to the second floor. And that's why I was getting rid of all the loose stuff, because they do move the furniture to one side and finish it and then move it back and do the other side. So that's why I was getting rid of all the loose stuff on the floor. But then he showed up and he decided to start with the top floor, which meant we had to scramble and try to get things out of the way for him because we moved everything upstairs. It was hectic, but this is what the process was like. And this is just a flooring change. There's a second day coming, and I think in the second day I was able to show you guys what the floors looked like after it was done. So in the second video I will try to put a before and after, side by side or something, but this is where we are right now. So let's go ahead and just watch it. Let me know down below in the comments if you want more vlogs, and I'm also going to try to figure out how to vlog properly. I have to remember to talk to the camera while the things are happening. I'm so busy recording what's happening that I forget to talk to you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get better at it. Love you guys. Bye. can send you a video of
Oh,
me
you
once.
will? Thank you. Pero ahorita la pones bien enrolladita abajo. Okay.
That is so easy to see. Don't lock me in. It's like, don't close the door. Sifa, what's up? You have.
Mommy,
Okay.
Mommy, what's
Okay,
that?
everybody, let's go in the bathroom with Grandma. I'll go over there with Daddy. Go in Daddy's bathroom.
Daddy, Mommy, what's for?
That's for working. Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Hey, baby.
Thanks.
Go put that in Mommy's bathroom. No, go put that in Mommy's tub.
Thanks, Mommy.
Hello. Let me in.
Except the ceramic area.
Except what?
Ceramic area?
I want to do that one too, but not now. I guess
Yeah, you should. You can do that.
after we do the bathroom. Got it. Hello.
Thank for the drinks, okay?
You're welcome. Sorry. Sorry. Are you finished the closet?
Yeah, I'm just doing the screen. I'm gonna do this.
Nice. Okay guys, so the closet is done. It looks so much better in here compared to that carpet. They're gonna put trim around it and we'll be good to go. You need more water? Oh, Grandma's room is getting started on. You got it? Careful. Ooh, tiny closet. I feel like the room feels different. Oh my god. I have to get rid of so much stuff.
Okay.